You do for a re-exam, you would write the patient's name here, the date, which is really important because it's for our record keeping, the number of the re-exam here, so if it's re-exam 1, re-exam 2, re-exam number 3, whether they're lumbar or cervical here, so you can just write an L or a C and circle it, and that's how you fill out the form prior to giving the patient the form. Then once the patient is ready for the form, when they arrive, you say, "Hey Diego, it's time for your re-exam today. I've got something for you. If you'll just use 1 arrow for yes, improvement, 2 arrows for significant improvement. If it's a woman, you point here. If it's someone filling out the form for a child, you would point here. If it's a male, you would point here. Any of these areas where you feel improvement, if you'll just circle that. Your overall level of progress to date here. If any of these topics you'd like additional information, go ahead and circle there. If you know anyone who could benefit from chiropractic, you can write the referral here. And then on the back side, your overall pain levels for the following activities here. Print and sign. Once you get this back, if you have any referral, then, will you hand me a checklist actually? Sorry. Dennis, a checklist. If they do list a referral, you'll give them one of the 259 gift certificates, place it in an envelope too. You'll find the re-exam checklist here and go through all of the steps on the checklist. So we already talked about these. To prepare the clipboard, thank you. To prepare the clipboard, you're going to place re-exam checklist, travel card on top of that, re-exam form on top of that. If they did leave a referral, you'll place the envelope here for Dr. T to give them the gift certificate. If they're a cervical patient, you'll use a medium-sized cervical pillow, traction pillow. And then the last thing is the green sheet on the iPad. The way to find the green sheet is go to provider, go to the search magnifying glass, type in their first name, click their name, select patient. Using 2 fingers side by side, swipe to the left, select their PDF, swipe to the green sheet. You'll place this on top. Bring it into the re-exam room. First clipboard is the posture party sign up, then the clipboard that you've prepared according to the checklist, then the green sheet on the iPad on top of that. The cervical pillow if they're a cervical patient here, traction pillow if they're a cervical patient. Make sure the desk is nice, neat, and straight. There's a blue pen that is working with the voice recorder that has a working battery. You'll change the face paper here and then make sure that everything is exactly where it needs to be for Dr. T to bring the patient in.